Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about ajax and MySQL, that is database. So let's see what is it. So ajax can be used to interactive communication between the database. So here we are going to provide the ajax information with the help of MySQL. So how to create it? So I am going to write any code here so you will be able to understand it properly. So for example, here I am just writing select name equal to user and then on change show user this dot value. Okay, these are the things I have mentioned. Then we are going to write the options. What kind of options are required in this? So I will write few options here. The first options value we will provide as 1. Any name I am going to write, for example, select a user. And then again, we will just write next the Peter. Okay. So any name I have provided as an option, again, I'll just copy paste and provide the other names and I will make some changes in that. Okay. There are 2 to 3 names I am going to provide. Fine. So we will just change the value and the names. Then you will be able to understand how to do that. Okay. So I have provided all the name. Then I am going to write person information will be listed here. For that I am going to write this div and id is equal to text hint. In I will write person information will be listed here. So it will automatically will come here once the options are available. Okay. So these are the things I have mentioned. Once I'll run this program, then you will be able to understand what I am writing right now. Okay. You just focus on the program and just understand what I am writing. Okay. So I hope you will be able to understand till this much. Now I am going to write is in the form of JavaScript. So you will be able to understand. Now I have mentioned the function here, show user string, and if the string equal to, then document dot get element id text hint dot inner html. Return else var xml http equal to new http request. We have created a request. Now we will write xml http dot on ready state change function if this dot ready state equal to 4, this dot status equal to 200. Okay, these are the details I have mentioned here. Now I will write document dot get element id, and the same thing I'm going to mention, but I will just mention this dot response text. Okay, now I will write how to get this thing. So for that I will just mention xml http dot open get, then get user .php, the page I am going to open, and then str and true. Okay. Next thing, this is the page I have already created. So here I am going to write, I have mentioned all the details here. Okay, fine. All the details are already mentioned here, the styling for that and everything. So what does this code mean? So check if the person is selected. If no person is selected, clear the context of text hint. Okay, and exit the function. This if a person is selected to do the following: create an XML HTTP request. Okay, create a function to be executed that we created, and send a request off to a file on a server. That's what we did at the last. And notice the parameter q is added to the URL. So that is what we have done right now. We have given all the details if the person is going to be selected. If it is not going to select it, then just clear it. So it will be the suggestion that nothing, it is not created yet, then there is no use. Okay. So I have given all the styling, and see now on screen, these are the details it's going to be provided. The first name, last name, and the ages, hometown, everything will be provided here. If I'm going to write the Joseph and any other name, so no connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. Okay, so let me just check. Okay, let me just work here. Now let me reload it. Last name, yeah, MySQL error. The few editing we need to work on, and then this will work. For the database, I have to check once, create my database page, a table, and create table here with the name of it. For example, I'm going to write any name and how many tables I need to create. So it will automatically create that much of the table and the name of it. Okay, that is what you need to create here. Okay, so I have checked all the details. Now, see here, if I'm going to select a person, for example, Peter, so the everything will be given here. So if I'm going to select any other name and the details are available, it will automatically provide me all the details here. So that is what we need to work on. Okay, so that is how it can provide. I hope you understood how to do this. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to PHP. Thank you so much.